Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, yes, we have completed the last lesson. Yes, can you tell me which was your last lesson? The third lesson we have completed, that is animals and their young ones. Yes, I hope you have understood that lesson, and even I have solved the evaluate part and checkpoint also. So dear students, I hope you have everyone have completed your science fair book. Today in this video class we are going to begin the new lesson of your science subject, that is how animals survive. Yes, as a human beings, even we are surviving on a earth here. Yes, we are getting a proper food, we are getting a air, yes, we are getting a water, and we are getting the good climate also. For surviving purpose, all the necessary things we are getting. So we are surviving on this land. Then how the animals will survive? Yes, that we are going to study in this lesson. So what is the name of the lesson, dear students? How animals survive. So today only some of the definitions and the introduction parts we are going to deal here. So listen concentrately, okay? Watch the video properly. So how do animals survive? See, you can see in the picture, you can see many of the animals are there. See, some of the animals, they are adapted to the certain places here, certain climatic conditions they will be adapted. All the animals cannot survive in all the places. They are adapted to some of the suitable climatic condition. So here is the warm-up activity. This activity you have to do in your rough book. Make a list of animals that you would find in a zoo. Dear students, I hope you have visited a zoo. Yes, almost all the students have visited the zoo. So whichever animals you can find in a zoo, that list you have to make in your rough book. In this lesson, we are going to study about the adaptation in animals with respect to habitat, food, protection, behavior. Yes, the animals, how they are habited, what are the food they require, and how they will take the protection, and what are their behaviors, that we will study in this lesson. And even will recognize animals in a danger. The animals which are in a danger, that also we are going to study in this lesson. So let us begin the lesson here. There are ice cold regions, Greenland, deserts and oceans on the earth. Yes, dear students, on earth we are having a different types of places here. Yes, can you tell? Ice cold region, it is one place. Greenland, deserts and oceans. These are the different, yes, the places which are present on earth here. These are present on earth here. There are ice cold regions, nothing but it will be covered with that region, that area will be covered here with the ice only. Okay, so we are calling it as a ice cold region. Greenland, ಭೂಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿರಿನಿಂದ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Deserts, you know very well about the deserts. Deserts are nothing but the marubhumi antivi. The land will be covered with the sand, and this area will be very dry, and this area receives very less rainfall. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಮರುಭೂಮಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೈತೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದ ಕವರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಡ್ರೈ ಭಾಳು. Okay, here sunlight will be more. ಬಿಸಿಲು ತುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಓಷಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಓಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. These all the places are found on where? It is found on a earth. The natural environment or a place where an animal or a plant lives is its habitat. Yes, what is habitat, dear students? Habitat is the natural home or environment of a plant, animal or other organism. Yes, in this manner you have to define the definition of a habitat. Habitat is a natural home or environment. What is habitat? Habitat is a natural home or environment of a plant or an animal. What is habitat, dear students? Habitat is a natural home or environment of a plant or an animal or any other organism also. This is the definition of a habitat. In order to survive, an organism adapts or changes itself according to its surroundings. See, dear students, in order to survive, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಬದುಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತದು? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ according to the surrounding. This is known as a adaptation. For example, a penguin's body is well adapted to survive in an extremely cold region. See, penguin, okay, you know very well about penguin. Yes, the penguin will survive in a cold region only, extremely cold. Extremely ತುಂಬ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಗ್ವಿನ್ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪೆಂಗ್ವಿನದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಪೆಂಗ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೀಜನ್, ವೆರಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟೆಡ್. Next, while crocodile is adapted to live in a swampy areas, nothing but a swampy, it is a wet areas, you know, yes. So we have studied about swamps. In a previous classes we have studied about swamps and marshes. Nothing but the land is covered with the water or wet here. Okay, crocodile, nothing but it will survive in a wet places only. ಯಾವ ನೆಲ ಹಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೀರಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, for this we are calling adaptation. We are calling these animals are adapted to that region climatic condition here. Okay, let us see the definition of adaptation. What is adaptation? The process which enables organisms to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival. This is the definition of adaptation. The process which enables organisms to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival. As I have given the example of a penguin. Yes, this penguin is adapted to the extremely cold region. Okay, let us see the next here. Adaptation to habitat. Habitat provides animals with a food, shelter and a water. What does the habitat provide? Habitat ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? It provides animals with a food, shelter and water. Our earth has a variety of habitats. See, our earth is having what? It is having a variety of habitats. Different kinds of animals live in a different habitats. Therefore, based on their habitat, animals can be divided into, see dear students, depending upon the habitat, animals are divided here. They are classified into terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal and aerial animals. Yes, which are the classification of Which are the classification of animals here? Therefore, based on the habitat. Based on the habitat, animals are categorized into terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal and aerial animals. These are the classification of animals on habitat. Yes, the animals are classified on the basis of what? On the basis of a habitat. On the basis of a habitat, animals are classified into terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal and aerial. How many total? On the basis of habitat, animals are divided into 5 types. What? 5 types. On the basis of a what? On the basis of a habitat, animals are classified into 5 types. Terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal and aerial. These are the 5 types of animals which are classified on the habitat here. So dear students, this is all about the introduction of your lesson. In the next class, we will start about the terrestrial animals. Till that, dear students, whatever I taught, go through from the lesson. If you get any doubt, you can contact me. Till that, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.